What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video and watching. If you haven't already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with all of your hunting buddies. I really would appreciate it. So on today's video, I'm heading back down south to Arkansas to catch the tail end of the rifle season. Hope you guys enjoy. Need to grab that. Yeah. I need more hands. All right. Like I said in the intro, I'm going back down to Arkansas for, I think this is the last day. I think it ends on the 6th, so it's not quite the last day of the rifle season. It's gonna be a quick trip. I'm gonna head down tonight, stay at my buddy Nate's house on the lake, and just hunt all day Thursday, tomorrow. Then I'll be back Thursday night. So first thing with horns is probably gonna get shot. But I'm gonna hit the road here before too long. Holy cow. I think I have an idea as to where I'm gonna turkey hunt. As soon as I pulled in, there was hens clucking, birds gobbling, nonstop. They're still flying down. I mean, there had to have been 20 plus that had just filmed fly down off the roost. They're just sitting up on the cove. I would call that a pretty slow morning. It's about noon now. Just sitting at the boat. I'm gonna eat some food. I walked out this ridge behind me, across the creek over on the ridge I'm looking at here behind the camera. Got up on the top of it, found a lot of good sign, but I didn't even spook a deer out. So I talked to the Arkansas guys and they got a spot for me to go to. It's on Corps land and they've always seen deer there. I think they've shot bucks out of there too. So it's kind of a little funnel between a cedar and a cedar thicket and a bluff face, kind of right by the water. So it's 12:30 now. I'm gonna head back to the car because I need to go to a different boat ramp, but that's where I'm gonna head here before too long. Shit, smashed a boulder. My boat's just right down there. Almost about where these group of trees were. Just right in the timber, just a whole herd of deer. And now my wind's going right up to them. I'm settled in for the evening sit here. Like I said earlier, it is dead quiet in here. This is the spot though, that's what all the guys in Arkansas said to go. If they had one place to go with the rifle on core ground, they said this would be it. I see a big old fresh rub right in front of me, about 30 yards. It's gonna be tight in here. Well, going back to give her one more try here in Arkansas. This is the last day before a really long break with the rifle season. Kind of kicking myself for not taking that doe the other night. You know, there was quite a bit of light left. You know, at least 30 minutes worth of legal light left, and I know the guys that sent me that pin had said there's a lot of bucks in there, and I was really wanting to kind of get a buck with my rifle for the first deer, but kind of kicking myself. I probably should have taken her. So tonight I'm probably going to take first deer opportunity I get, you know, unless I know there's a buck, you know, coming as well or something, but I'm probably not going to be too picky. I'm going into another spot blind. I'm going to get there around 1:30-ish, maybe a little bit before, but there's a saddle next to a big cedar thicket, and that seems to be the best spot to me. There's multiple areas that deer could come from. There, like I said, there's a big, like 100-yard cedar thicket on the saddle. It looked like there were some cedar thickets on either side of the saddle too, so it could be a pretty good little spot. We'll see how it pans out. Shallow in here. I got a just got it. Well, I think I got a deer down already. I was picking out the tree. There's a big rub right here in front of me. And this tree is the freshest rub I found. So I was setting my backpack down, getting all my stuff ready, and I just heard a bunch of behind me in this big valley. Turn around and there's a tiny little deer coming up. And I think I made a good shot. I think I heard it crash down there. I'm not 100% sure though. But after I shot, there was all kinds of deer running out of there. So who knows? I'm gonna climb up in this stand though. I got blood here, but there's some stomach matter. Crap. Shot was definitely back. Well, I came back to the boat, grabbed my spotlight. I feel like crap now. I definitely hit that deer back. There was stomach matter, blood. I'm hoping it's dead down there. I just feel bad about it. I'm gonna start the search back with the spotlight though. Well, I ended up finding her. It might be one of the smallest deer I've ever seen, I'm not gonna lie. But like I said before the hunt, if it's brown, it's down. This is my first Arkansas rifle kill, so on public land. So the way my Arkansas season's been going, I'm pretty happy to at least get a tag on something. So it's pretty little, but it'll eat good. I will say that. The shot ended up being perfect. I don't know what all that dark matter was. It's got a big old growth on its face. It's kind of gross, but got her back to the boat. I'm probably just gonna quarter her up, throw her in the cooler. She came in. She's the only one I saw when I was at the base of the tree, so I went ahead and shot. And after I shot, there was a bunch of deer that took off, so I never saw what was what. But anyways, man, pretty pumped up. First deer with a rifle in Arkansas. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.